Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how lobsters are processed step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Every journey begins at the coast, where fresh lobsters arrive directly from the ocean to ensure maximum quality and freshness.
Each shipment is temperature controlled and carefully documented before entering the facility.
Every lobster is individually inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
Advanced sorting systems classify lobsters by size and weight for precise processing.
Before processing begins, each lobster is thoroughly rinsed with filtered water.
Water quality is constantly monitored to maintain hygiene and safety standards.
Live holding tanks replicate natural seawater conditions to reduce stress before cooking. Automation ensures smooth transfer while minimizing handling. Strict hygiene protocols protect product integrity at every stage. Once prepared and inspected, the lobsters move to the next critical stage: controlled cooking.
The cooking stage is precisely controlled to ensure food safety, texture preservation, and flavor integrity.
Temperature and timing are calibrated down to the second to maintain consistency in every batch. Advanced digital systems continuously track heat levels and cooking duration. Industrial ventilation systems regulate steam and maintain a stable environment inside the facility. Automated lifting systems reduce manual handling and increase efficiency. Rapid cooling locks in texture and prevents overcooking.
Heat triggers a natural chemical reaction that transforms the shell's color into its iconic red.
After cooling, excess moisture is removed before further processing. Random samples are tested to verify internal cooking standards are achieved.
Once cooked and verified, the lobsters advance to the core transformation stage, precision meat extraction.
Cooked lobsters now enter the precision cracking system, where shells are separated without damaging the delicate meat inside. Advanced automation ensures each lobster shell is opened cleanly and efficiently.
The claws of lobsters contain some of the most valuable meat, requiring precise handling.
While automation plays a key role, skilled technicians ensure every lobster is processed with care.
Specialized separation systems preserve the natural structure of lobster tail meat. Lobster shells are collected and often repurposed for sustainable byproducts.
Each batch of lobster meat is carefully examined to ensure premium quality.
Portion control guarantees uniform packaging and consistent product weight.
From whole lobsters to refined premium meat, Youngstburton, every transformation is carefully controlled. With the lobsters fully processed, the meat advances to final packaging. After processing, lobster's meat is portioned with precision to maintain consistent weight and premium presentation. Vacuum sealing protects lobster's meat by removing air and extending freshness. Modified atmosphere technology ensures lobsters remain fresh during transportation. Each lobster's package is fully traceable, with detailed labeling for transparency and safety. Every lobster's package is digitally tracked from factory to final destination.
Lobster's products are carefully packed into insulated cartons to maintain cold chain integrity.
Temperature control is critical when transporting lobsters to markets worldwide.
Sealed cartons protect lobsters during long-distance distribution.
Automation ensures lobster shipments are stacked efficiently and securely.
With lobsters fully packaged and sealed, they are ready for final inspection and distribution.
Before leaving the facility, every lobster's package undergoes a final visual inspection.
Maintaining proper temperature ensures lobsters remain fresh and safe during transport.
Random samples of lobsters are tested to meet strict food safety standards.
Each lobster's package is verified to meet exact weight specifications.
Safety detection systems ensure lobsters' shipments meet global compliance standards.
Lobster's products are stored in temperature-controlled environments before distribution.
Refrigerated transport ensures lobsters remain fresh from factory to destination.
Processed lobsters are shipped to markets and restaurants around the world.
From ocean harvest to factory processing, lobsters now begin their journey to consumers.
And that is how lobsters are processed in a modern factory. From ocean to plate.
And that's how lobsters are processed, Relid said, from ocean to plate.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.